my question is, my husband was working for a company, and he had been with the company for about 43 years. But last year he gotten sick, and we went to the doctor, a lung specialist, and the lung specialist said that he had dust from the core in his lungs, what we're calling him to cough. And so I wonder if we were able to get compensation for it.
Well, Lee, there's what we call occupational injuries, and then there is another term in Georgia called occupational diseases. Now, very rarely do we deal with occupational diseases because there is a very, very high burden of proof. Mm-hmm. But in your husband's situation, given the length of time that he worked for that employer and given the type of work, we are aware in this area there are several quarries, right. And there are some specific conditions that can arise out of that type of work. So I would suggest that you, if your husband is in need of medical treatment and is potentially disabled because of his condition, he really does need to seek out the advice of an attorney because, again, as I said earlier in the show, there are specific statutes of limitations, and those even include or also relate to what we call occupational disease claims. So it would be 1 year from the date that your husband had some notice that what is wrong with him could potentially be related to his work activities. Mm-hmm. So yes, there is the potential, and then if it is proven, then your husband would have all of the rights that a worker who is injured on the job would have. Mm-hmm.